Imagine setting sail on a vast, uncharted ocean. For decades, software developers have been the intrepid explorers of this digital sea, armed with maps they drew themselves, navigating by the stars of established programming languages frameworks. Today, a new instrument has appeared on the bridge, a smart compass, one that not only points north, but also anticipates currents, suggests safer routes, and learns from every voyage. This smart compass is artificial intelligence. Its arrival doesn't mean the captain is no longer needed. Rather, it means the captain can now chart more ambitious courses, explore further, and discover new lands with greater confidence and speed. This is a fundamental shift in how we create the digital world. The importance of AI in software development cannot be overstated. It represents a paradigm shift, moving us from a world where humans manually translated every single instruction into machine-readable language to one where humans guide intelligent systems that handle much of the intricate detail work. At its core, artificial intelligence, especially in the context of software development, can be understood in very simple terms. Think of it as a system designed to recognize patterns on a massive scale. These systems are not thinking in the human sense. They are not conscious or self-aware. Instead, they are sophisticated statistical engines. They have been trained on an immense library of human-created data, billions of lines of code from public repositories, countless pages of technical documentation, extensive bug reports, detailed project discussions from across the internet. This training lets the AI learn relationships, structures, and common patterns. When a developer uses an AI tool, they are querying this vast, pattern-filled knowledge base. The AI doesn't know a for loop is best. It has seen millions of examples of humans using a for loop, and therefore predicts that as the most probable correct solution. It's prediction based on overwhelming statistical evidence. That's why AI can produce syntactically correct code and idiomatically appropriate solutions. It's mimicking the collective wisdom of countless developers. This is different from older automation. Older tools used explicit rules. AI learns rules implicitly from data. That lets it handle ambiguity and context, infer developer intent, suggest code from just a function name, or translate plain English into working code. It acts less like a simple calculator and more like a junior partner who has read every textbook and every project file ever written. It can recall boilerplate, remember obscure syntax, and suggest fixes because it's seen thousands of similar situations before. It's a powerful amplification of a developer's own knowledge and memory, available on demand. The most direct and visible impact of AI is on the very act of writing code. Traditionally, coding was a meticulous translation of human logic into strict syntax. Constant lookups for function names, parameter orders, boilerplate structures. AI coding assistants have changed this, integrated directly into the editor, acting like an ever-present pair programmer, offering real-time suggestions as you type. The AI anticipates intent and offers completions, a single line or an entire function. Example, creating a Python function to download a web page. Previously, you'd look up the library, how to import it, make a GET request, check for errors like 404, and return the page's text. An AI assistant can suggest the entire function body instantly, including error handling and explanatory comments. The developer's role shifts from writing to reviewing, editing, and approving. This is much faster and less mentally taxing. It lowers the barrier to entry, accelerates learning, and lets novices focus on higher-level logic with instant, context-specific examples. But this power has caveats. AI-generated code is a suggestion, not a decree. It's statistical, so it can be subtly incorrect, inefficient, insecure, or use outdated libraries and introduce non-obvious bugs. The developer's responsibility evolves. Critically evaluate code, understand implications, and know when a shortcut is dangerous. The human remains the ultimate arbiter of quality and correctness. Software testing is the systematic process ensuring a program behaves as expected and is free from defects. It is critical and often time-consuming. AI is providing a significant boost, helping teams build more robust software with less manual effort. AI tools can analyze code, automatically generate test cases, and validate functionality. This goes beyond simple checks. AI creates varied inputs to probe behavior. Let's take a practical example, a function that calculates shipping costs based on weight and destination country. Manually, you'd think up zero weight, heavy package, valid, invalid country, special rules, and more. An AI tool can analyze the code, identify inputs, and generate tests. It can cover edge cases, like negative weight, and ensure invalid input is handled gracefully. AI can improve test coverage by finding untested sections and generating missing tests, eliminating blind spots, and improving QA for a more stable product. But AI outputs require human oversight. Generated tests reflect the code, not necessarily the business rules. AI might not know shipping to Antarctica is forbidden unless the code contains that rule. Developers and QA must review to ensure tests match true requirements. AI provides scaffolding. Humans provide architectural intent and final approval. Debugging, the process of finding and fixing errors, is famously challenging and often frustrating. A bug can manifest as a cryptic message, an unexpected crash, or subtle incorrect behavior that's hard to trace. Developers can spend hours or days staring at code, hunting a single misplaced character or flawed logic. AI is emerging as a powerful ally, an experienced investigator analyzing clues and suggesting likely culprits. Consider a common scenario. A page throws a 500 internal server error with little detail. An AI debugging assistant can be fed the full error message, log files, and relevant code. By cross-referencing with similar bugs and fixes from thousands of projects, it can provide a high-probability diagnosis. This error with this log often points to a database connection failure. Check your database credentials in the configuration file. This narrows the search from hundreds of lines to a single file, often a specific region. AI tools can propose concrete fixes, like wrapping a database connection in a try-catch to handle failures gracefully. For a junior developer, this both solves the immediate problem and teaches a best practice pattern, accelerating growth. Of course, the AI's diagnosis is a hypothesis. The developer remains lead detective, verify the suggestion, run tests, confirm no regressions. Productivity in software development is not merely about writing code faster. It's a holistic measure of delivering high-quality software efficiently. It encompasses communication, documentation, planning, and automating repetitive tasks. AI is making inroads here, freeing developers to focus on creative problem-solving and architectural design. AI can parse code and generate clear, human-readable documentation. What a function does, its parameters, and its returns, saving time and improving consistency. For communication, AI can transcribe meetings in real time, summarize key decisions, list action items, and assign owners, driving clarity and accountability. Automation extends to refactoring for a new style guide, translating comments, generating boilerplate, and writing informative commit messages. Each small win compounds. Offloading friction lets developers maintain flow longer and tackle complex problems more effectively. The AI acts as a tireless assistant, handling administrative overhead. It really lets humans get back to the craft. The integration of AI is not a simple path. It's a terrain requiring careful navigation. We must confront questions of balance, ethics, and the evolving role of the human developer. The tool's intelligence is borrowed from a corpus containing brilliance, flaws, biases, and security vulnerabilities. If AI generates code, is it derivative? Many repos have licenses requiring attribution. Tools are just beginning to handle citation and license safety. Teams must set clear policies to avoid legal and ethical pitfalls, ensuring proprietary code isn't contaminated. Over-reliance risks skill atrophy. Juniors may learn to prompt for answers without understanding why they work, creating a fragile knowledge base. Leaders must teach AI as a learning accelerator and collaborator. Use AI to stand on the shoulders of giants, not to be carried without learning to walk. The AI is incredibly fast at pattern matching, recall, and handling repetitive tasks. Humans excel at understanding context, defining goals, asking the right questions, and keeping a human-centered purpose. The most effective teams leverage synergy, automate the mundane, accelerate the routine, gain inspiration, yet always apply human judgment, ethical scrutiny, and creative oversight. We have journeyed through the new landscape of development, observing how the smart compass of AI is reshaping the work of its explorers. It is happening now. AI is a collaborative partner, accelerating code writing, strengthening testing rigor, shortening the hunt for bugs, and amplifying team productivity. It automates the mechanical and repetitive, freeing minds for the creative, the strategic, and the complex. This is the biggest shift since open source. The message is augmentation, not replacement. From generating a simple function, to comprehensive tests, to pinpointing cryptic errors, AI streamlines workflows and reduces cognitive load at every stage. It makes turning ideas into software faster, more efficient, and more accessible. But this partnership demands wisdom and responsibility. Review AI code critically, consider ethics, and mentor to avoid dependency. The key skill is asking the right questions, evaluating answers, and weaving outputs into robust, human-centric solutions. Do not ignore AI or adopt it blindly. Start using these tools. Learn their strengths and their weaknesses. Treat AI as a new team member. Those who master this partnership will build our digital future. The journey has just begun. It is time to keep learning.